Have you ever searched for ways to make money online and you searched on YouTube and then you've seen people talking about affiliate marketing?
To affiliate marketing.
For affiliate marketing, what is
with affiliate marketing using free
a month with affiliate marketing, but I'm going to.
If you're wondering what affiliate marketing is and how it works, I'm going to explain that in this video. So the easiest way that I can explain how affiliate marketing works, so just imagine that you and your friend, you're both walking down the street together and you bought some really cool shoes from Nike. And he compliments you on your shoes, he thinks that they're really cool, and he asks you, hey, where did you get those shoes from? And you tell him, I got them from the Nike store down the street. Now imagine if your friend, he goes to that same store that you bought those cool shoes from, he buys them for himself, but when he gets to the cash register, he tells them, hey, my friend, he sent me here and he recommended these shoes to me. Now imagine if that store, they pay you a commission because you recommended your friend to buy shoes from their store. That's basically how affiliate marketing works. Now in real life, that wouldn't happen. So this is how affiliate marketing works. Just promoting products that you already use and love to other people, and every time that you recommend a person to buy that product from the company's website, that company will pay you a commission. Now, if this sounds like something that you would be interested in learning more about, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel because I talk a lot about affiliate marketing on this channel. Now, what I want to talk about is the basics on getting started with affiliate marketing, because people make the same mistake when they get started with affiliate marketing, and I've done this myself. It's just promote random products that are completely unrelated to each other and just spamming my affiliate link all over social media. And that doesn't work. When getting started with affiliate marketing, the first thing that you're going to have to do is to pick a niche that you want to focus on. So this is going to be a specific category that you're passionate about, and you can talk about it all day long without getting bored of it. So whether you're passionate about fishing, skateboarding, electronics, health and fitness, I would recommend to go with the niche that you're really passionate about. Then once you decide on a niche that you're really passionate about, the next thing to do is look for an affiliate program to sign up with that falls under that niche. So if you're really passionate about fishing, what you can do is you can go to Google and then type in fishing affiliate programs. Now you're going to see search results for the best fishing affiliate programs, and you can just do your research and look at what they would pay you as an affiliate and what type of products that they promote or that they have available. Now the next thing that you need to do after you pick a niche and you signed up with an affiliate program is to pick a good product to promote. Now this is where a lot of people, they get stuck because they think they need to have the perfect product to promote as an affiliate. But the truth of the matter is, you just have to find a good product that is going to solve at least one problem that your target audience is dealing with. So for example, if you're in the weight loss niche and your target audience has been struggling to lose 20 pounds for years, and you find a product that is helping people lose weight within a matter of weeks, then that would be a good product to promote for that specific person who has just been struggling to lose those 20 pounds. Now, after you find a good product to promote, the next thing that you have to do is to actually promote that product. So how would you go about promoting products as an affiliate? The first way is to create content on social media, and this can be on any social media platform that you choose. It can be on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or any other blog website that you want to create content on and promote your product. Now, when I say promote your product, I don't mean just taking your affiliate link and spamming it all over the internet. What I mean is creating valuable content. So if you're promoting a product that is showing people how to lose weight, then I would just create content just sharing different weight loss tips, recipes, workouts that people can actually get value from. And then you can also add a call to action by telling people, hey, if you're ready to make a change, if you're sick and tired of living with that 20 extra pounds of fat, here's a really good product that'll help you do that. And then you would have your affiliate link, which is going to take people to the product that you're promoting. The second way to promote affiliate products is to run paid advertising, but I recommend that you stay away from this if you're a beginner because you can easily spend a lot of money on paid ads without getting very many results. So one important tip that I wanted to mention if you're going to be creating content is to understand your target audience. So this is going to be people who are going to resonate with the content that you're putting out there as it relates to your niche and also the product that you're promoting. So if you're creating content around weight loss, you have to understand who your target audience is, what are their pain points that they're dealing with, and what are the goals that they're trying to achieve as far as your niche and the product that you're promoting to them. So more than likely, they're people who are struggling to lose weight. Maybe they have a hard time sticking to a diet, or they just been trying to lose weight for years and haven't gotten many results. Now, you can learn a lot from watching YouTube videos, but to learn an entire business model such as affiliate marketing can be pretty frustrating. And this is actually where I started out when I got into affiliate marketing. I would watch hours and hours of videos showing you how affiliate marketing works, how to get started, how to start earning money with it. But what I realized is that I was just taking bits and pieces of information from other videos and trying to put all the pieces together, and I wasn't really having any results. It wasn't until I invested into a training that breaks down step by step and explains in detail how affiliate marketing works and how to start earning with it that I was able to see results with affiliate marketing. So if you've been struggling to get results with affiliate marketing, or if you're brand new to it and you want to learn how you can start using affiliate marketing to earn online, then I recommend checking out the first link in the description of this video for my personal recommendation. Now, let me know down in the comments below, what are some questions that you have about affiliate marketing, and what are some of the things that you've been struggling with if you've tried affiliate marketing before. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're interested in learning different methods to make money online and learn more information about affiliate marketing, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Well, with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.